How to connect Roku app to TV without a remote. Here's what you'll need: a Roku TV or Roku device that is turned on, Roku and phone connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and also the Roku mobile app installed on your phone, either Apple or Android. So here's what we're gonna do. First, you will need to download the Roku app. You will go to the App Store or Google Play and install the Roku app. It's free and looks like a purple icon with a remote on it. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi, so make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. This is how they will communicate with each other. Turn on your TV. You will use the power button on the TV itself, which is going to be at the bottom or the back, and you will turn it on manually. You want to open up the Roku app. You will launch the app. It will auto search for Roku devices on your Wi-Fi network and tap on your device when it appears. Use the mobile remote. Once connected, you will tap the remote icon in the app and your phone will work like a Roku remote. Navigate and control the TV. You will use the directional arrows, select button and back or home buttons in the app to control your Roku like normal. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.